So it's the beginning of the wood season, which is spring. The color is green and the energy is expansive. So therefore, it's a good time to start new projects, begin new paths. Each season has a different different set of organs associated with it. In the spring, the wood is associated with the liver and the gallbladder. It's considered that emotions reside in each organ. So its anger can reside in your liver. So what we want to do is we want to expel the anger and replace it with more qi, and that qi gives you the opposite of anger, which is kindness and generosity. So we want to begin. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to just do what's called shake the 9 gates. This is not a specific wood liver movement, but you do this before you practice just to open up your joints and let the qi flow through your body freely. It makes the rest of the movements more effective. So you just shake really loosely, lifting your shoulders, dropping them back and forth. We just do this for a minute. Really relax. So we're doing that. And then you stop and you throw the energy out to your fingertips. All right. What we're going to do next is also, this is just a warm-up one, which is called Dragon Shakes its Whiskers. So what we're doing is we're just going back and forth. Here, our hands, one hand's hitting the lower back and the other one's hitting, this is actually hitting liver 14, the end of the liver meridian. So we're just going back and forth. And we want to use our eyes too. So you want to focus on a point behind you on each side, because we use our mind during our Qigong practice. So you focus, focus, focus. This movement is for cleansing our liver. So we're going to just push the energy around, try to push the negative energy out of the liver. So your liver is on your right side. So we're just going to be circulating, gently rubbing, just focusing on relaxing energy coming in. Green energy, green's the color of wood. So we're breathing in, just gently rubbing the right side of our body in a circle. We're cleansing, getting the negative energy out of our liver so that we can expel it. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, keep circulating. All right. Okay, well, one thing we want to do is we want to expel the anger. So what we have for that is we're going to breathe in and then you breathe out. Hands turn over. So we're pushing out the negative energy out of our liver, and that's our anger. So we're focusing, we're getting rid of the anger. You're coming over. So what we're doing is our hips are not moving, but our waist is turning. So our hands coming back. Breathe in, breathe out. So the twisting, see, our waist is turning, our hips aren't turning. That's squeezing our internal organs a bit, trying to push out a little bit more of the negative energy. In, out, out. So this is to expel negative energy. And then if you go a little bit faster, if you have a lot of energy, you can go a lot of anger, you're trying to let it go. It's just going out. You're pushing out any anger you're feeling. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. All right, now we're going to do blooming tree. We're going to put our hands under our navel and we're going to turn to the right. I'll mirror you. So you turn to the right. So You breathe in, your hands come up, draw up energy from the earth. Feel the energy come up, go through your liver, your gallbladder. Now you come back, turn back to the center when your hands reach your eyebrows. And then as you breathe out, you retrieve that energy. It's like a blooming tree. And then you come back down. And we're going to turn to the other side. So you breathe in, you draw up energy. When you get to your eyebrows, you return to the center. And then as you breathe out, you let that energy bloom through you. So turn, breathe in, drawing in the energy, return to the center, breathe out. Relax your entire body. Breathe in. Your shoulders should be relaxed. Your hands are relaxed. Turn to the center. Breathe out. We're breathing in. Everything's relaxed. Your elbows are away below your hands. Breathe out. You expand. All that energy flows out and blooms into the world. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more each side. We're turning. Breathe in. That energy is flowing through you, clearing out any anger. Breathe out. Energy flows out, blooms into the world. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, the next one is called Swimming Dragon. We're putting our feet a bit further apart. Your knees are out. What we're going to do is we're going to take a big breath, put our hands in the middle. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to shift to one side. So once again, I'll mirror you. So you shift to the right side, and then you're going to push your hands over. But you're not twisting. We're trying to move our body. You also don't want to lean. You want to keep your body straight, but you're pushing your hands over. We're going to come back to the center, post to the other side, push. This is just the preliminary. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to push, and then you're going to turn the other way. This is the dragon. We're feeling the energy moving across our body. Post to the other side, twist, look over your shoulder, come back to the center, post, twist. So you breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe. Okay, this one is called Heart to the Sky. What we're doing once again is we're having our feet a bit wider apart. Our meridians, the meridians, gallbladder meridians, and liver meridians run down the side. So what we're going to do is we're coming in, we're putting our hands together. We're going to breathe in, look up, expand, gather in positive energy. Breathe out, our hands come together. So we're expanding, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, gathering in positive energy, pushing into the liver, trying to build up our energy, our chi, so we can have kindness and generosity in our life. Breathe in, breathe out. So this is heart to heaven. So here, we're exposing our heart to the heaven. We're gathering that energy, pulling it in. We're sinking down a bit. Breathe in, rounding our back. This is our usual movement. We're breathing in, shoulder blades together. Breathe out, collarbones moving together. This is also assisting our heart beating as well as moving that chi that we're gathering, that positive energy into our liver. Do 2 more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. The next one we're doing is flying hands. Your hands are facing. What you're doing is you're drawing up energy into your body, and then as you exhale, they go out and circle back down. So we're breathing in, and then breathe out. Now you want to use your whole body to do this one. So when you're breathing in, you come up, stand a bit taller, and then as you breathe out, your hands float down. Breathe in, circulate the chi through your body. Breathe out, your hands go out. Breathe in, your hands gather energy and push it through your body. Breathe out. Now each organ has a sound associated with it, which you try to activate that and make it healthier. So the sound for the liver is she. So what we're going to do with this one, we're going to make the sound. You can do it with the other movements too, but here you're here. Breathe in. Shh. Breathe in. Shh. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. So now we've built up some energy in our body with those movements, expelled negative energy, got rid of anger, tried to build up our generosity and our kindness. We're just going to relax and let that circulate through our body. So we're going to do Pebble in a pond. So your hands are here, you breathe in, your whole body is relaxed. You're actually breathing with your whole body. So you breathe in, your hands open up and then they come to your navel, and then you breathe out, they sink down. This is just relax your entire body. Try to feel the energy circulating, distributing itself around the body so it fills your entire body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And then breathe in. What we want to do, it's the end. What we want to do is absorb all the positive energy we created, gathered inside. So we're going to do bamboo in the wind. Have your feet together and you just very gently, you're completely relaxed. You just feel that energy flowing through your body. You visualize it being absorbed by your muscles and even seeping into your bones. We try to get chi to go into our bones, keep them moist so they're not brittle. We want to get flexibility in our bones, our entire body. So you're breathing in, just relax. You're swaying gently back and forth. Just feel the energy enter, circulate through your body, and then be absorbed by your bones and your muscles. Just very gently relax. Your shoulders should always be relaxed. We're doing abdominal breathing. Plus, remember our activity. When we breathe in, tongue goes up. When we breathe out, your tongue drops down. This helps to keep your mouth moist. And in this case, it feeds wood. Water feeds wood. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. So just come down. What we're going to do is we're going to pull down the heavens. You're going to breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And one more. Breathe in. Breathe out.